Hallo, language enthusiasts! Welcome back to our journey of learning the German language. Today, we have something special in store for you. Before we dive into numbers, remember to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, share it with fellow learners, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with our lessons. Let's embark on our counting adventure in Lesson Raute 5. Counting from 1 to 10. Let's start with the basics. We'll count from 1 to 10 in German. 1. 1. Once again. 1. 2. 2. Once again. 2. 3. 3. Once again. 3. 4. 4. Once again. 4. 5. 5. Once again. 5. 6. 6. Once again. 6. 7. 7. Once again. 7. 8. 8. Once again. 8. 9. 9. Once again. 9. 10. 10. Once again. 10. Repeat after me to practice your pronunciation. Counting from 11 to 20. Now, let's continue counting from 11 to 20. 11. 11. Once again. 11. 12. 12. Once again. 12. 13. 14. 13. 14. 14. Once again. 14. 15. 15. Once again. 15. 16. 16. Once again. 16. 17. 17. 17. 18. 18. Once again. 18. 19. 19. Once again. 19. 20. 20. Once again. 20. Practice these numbers to get a feel for them. Counting is a fundamental skill in any language, and by mastering numbers in German, you're opening doors to countless possibilities. Whether you're shopping, telling time, or discussing quantities, numbers play a crucial role in everyday life. Keep practicing these numbers, and in our next lessons, we'll explore more advanced counting and mathematical expressions. Thank you for joining us in this special counting lesson, and let's continue advancing your German language skills. Bis bald!